Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super cute and colorful. We are drawing lipsticks.
Yay!
Let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw our first lipstick. Draw a tall rectangle shape for the lipstick body. Now draw a smaller rectangle on top for the tube. Add a curved top shape for the lipstick tip. Great! Draw a cute bow on the lipstick and add a tiny heart in the middle of the bow. Now let's draw the second lipstick next to it. Again, draw the body, draw the tube, and the curved lipstick tip on top. Perfect! Now draw a big flower on the front, petals all around, and a circle in the middle. Beautiful! Let's draw the third lipstick. Draw the rectangle body, the tube, and the lipstick tip. Now, in the middle, draw a big heart. Nice and round. So cute! Now, let's draw the fourth lipstick. Draw the body, draw the tube, and the curved lipstick top. Now, let's make it royal. Draw a crown on the front. Add little circles on top of the crown. Wow, a princess lipstick! Nice job, everyone! Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Slowly trace over your lines. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Take out your rainbow color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cream color. Wow! Look at your beautiful lipsticks. You did such an amazing job today. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in our next colorful drawing adventure. Bye-bye, little artists.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.